to hear what we have to say. A historic election took place yesterday on the 30th of July 2018. We're very excited that our people came out to vote in their thousands, in their hundreds of thousands. This is a reflection that our people are pushing and crying out for change, for transformation, for opportunity, for prosperity, and for hope. So we want to thank and express our indebtedness to the thousands of Zimbabweans that braved the cold, that braved the wind, that braved the pain to come and vote for change and transformation in their country. We are, however, concerned about the challenges that our people faced. These included long, winding queues and, in some cases, deliberate go-slows by election officials, particularly in urban centers. In some situations, they were missing polling stations, for instance, in places like Epworth, resulting in sometimes extra-legal arrangements being met. There were also challenges around people being turned away, a high number of people that were being turned away because they were not located at the particular polling station that they had confirmed